Ibotta weekly team bonuses are designed around completing shared earning activities with other users, which means your progress depends on how the team bonus system tracks participation. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta weekly team bonuses work, what affects your progress, and what to check if your bonus is not updating correctly. Section 1 is understanding the weekly team bonus. A weekly team bonus connects your account activity with a specific bonus goal inside the Ibotta app. The bonus requirements determine what actions count toward completion. Your progress depends on completing qualifying activities and making sure those activities are properly credited to your account. Open the Ibotta app and check the team bonus section to view the current requirements. Review the listed tasks before shopping so you know which offers or activities are eligible. Completing random purchases does not guarantee progress if the activity does not match the bonus requirements. Section 2 is why your team bonus progress may not appear. The first thing to check is whether your qualifying activity has been credited. Receipt processing, offer tracking, and account updates can affect when your progress appears. Open your earnings or activity history and compare your completed actions with the team bonus requirements. Make sure you are using the same Ibotta account connected to your bonus activity. Signing into a different account can make your progress appear missing because the activity may be attached to another profile. Also check that your Ibotta app is updated. An outdated app version can sometimes show older account information instead of the latest progress. Section 3 is fixing weekly team bonus issues. Start by refreshing the Ibotta app and checking your activity again. Review each requirement carefully to confirm that your purchases or offers qualify. If the bonus still does not update, contact Ibotta support with the details they need to review the issue. Include your account information, the team bonus details, receipt information, and screenshots showing your current progress. Providing complete information helps support investigate whether the issue is related to offer eligibility, account syncing, or missing activity credit. The key points are simple. Ibotta weekly team bonuses depend on completing qualifying activities. Progress only updates when eligible actions are credited, and checking your account activity can help find missing progress. Your next step is opening Ibotta, reviewing the current team bonus requirements, and checking that your completed activities are showing correctly. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta weekly team bonuses, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.